Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about job recruitment. But before that, I want to request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. If you are a job seeker and searching for a job, then this is a very good place to you because we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and preparation. So if you follow us rigorously, then you can definitely get your dream job or your first job. So please do like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. So with that note, let's quickly move with the video. So today we will talk about Infosys off-campus hiring. So basically, Infosys is hiring for three roles. So first role is of system engineer, second is for operations executive, and third is systems associates. Okay, so we will talk about all the eligibility criteria for all these three roles and also who can apply and so all the things we will talk about, so stay tuned with us. Okay, so basically for system engineer, all the BE, BTech, ME, MTech in any discipline are eligible, and also MCA, MSc in computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics, statistics, IT, and information science. So, if I talk about BE, BTech, ME, MTech, so all the branches are eligible, but for MCA and MSc, only computer science, electronics, mathematics, physics, statistics, IT, and information science. These branches are eligible. Okay, and all the graduates for system engineers from the batch 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022 batch are eligible. Okay, so this is about system engineer. Now talk about operation executive. So all the bachelors of computer application, that is BCA, and BSc, that is bachelors of science, are eligible from all the branches. Okay, and for from the batch 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022. So talking about system associates. So for this, all the diploma students are eligible from the branch computer science, electronics and communication, and electrical and electronics and information technology. So these four branches from diploma eligible from the batch of 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022. Okay, so this is a really good opportunity from Infosys because they are hiring all the graduates, be it is technical or non-technical. So this is a very good opportunity for all the 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022 batch. Okay, so basically this job is for all the engineering graduates, diploma, BSc, and BCA candidates graduating in these 4 years. Okay, so there should be no active backlogs if you are applying for this job. Okay, so you should not have active backlogs at the time of applying for the job. Okay, and you should have at least 55% above in your 10th, 12th, and your graduation, and also you should not have applied in the Infosys off campus hiring or any Infosys hiring in the last 3 months, so you are eligible for the job. Okay, now talking about the salary. So this package for system engineer will be 3.6 LPA, and for the operation executive and system associates 2.22, that is 2.22 LPA will be your CTC. Okay, so this is all about the job details for all these three jobs. So if you are eligible for the job, so you need to fill this form. So basically this is the privacy as statement, data privacy declaration. So you need to go through all the data privacy checks which from the Infosys, and need to click this on I agree that I have read all the above declaration, so need to accept it. Okay, click on the accept, and then you will be redirected to a registration form. So you need to fill that registration form for registering for the job. Okay, so basically there are three different links available procedure for all the links for registration will be the same. So you need to I will provide the link by the batches, like for system engineer and for the other two roles. So I will provide the link that likewise. So you need to click on the similar link for which you are eligible. Like you, if you have done BSc or BCA, then you need to click on that link. If you have done engineering, then you need to click on that link. Okay. So likewise, you need to click and apply for the drive. Okay. Application procedure will be same for all the candidates, but the link will be different. So I will provide different link for you guys in the description box. So you need to go and um complete your registration. Okay, so after registration, the next procedure will be announced through, like they will send you email. So that ways. Okay, and for the preparation, we upload videos on daily basis for aptitude and reasoning and also verbal ability. So you can check the videos from that, because for the Infosys recruitment, first step will be your written test. So you can prepare for written test from there also. On the channel you can find different playlist for reasoning, aptitude and verbal ability. So you can go and check that out. So that will be really helpful for you guys. Okay, there are some like some channels or some people who are launching the courses, but we don't want to launch the courses. So we are providing you all to the channel itself, so you can make the most of it, because we cover almost all the previous year's questions. So if I talk about the preparation, then if you follow all those questions and prepare from all those questions and solve the questions, then definitely you will crack the Infosys written test this time. And for the interview preparation also, there are so many videos available on the channel. Okay, yeah, these way your preparation will be there. And in the if I talk about the written test, then there will be three sections available, that are aptitude, reasoning and verbal ability. So do prepare guys, and yeah, after just registration, start your preparation, because they will soon send you the written test mail. Okay, so this is all for today's video guys. If you need to apply, if you are eligible, so do apply for this job, because this is a really good opportunity for all the four eligible batches. And yeah, this is all for today's job update guys. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for future updates. And also you can follow us on Instagram at Jobker_official, or the link will be in the description box. So do follow us, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.